texture and stencil features of the Tenada app, you can create unique visual effects. This feature can be applied to both added media and text. Let's try adding an image to use the feature. Go to the Texture tab and edit. You can select various textures such as metal, glass, leather, wood, and fabric. Please choose the one you like. Adjust the roughness of the texture. The closer to 0, the smoother the feel, and the closer to 1, the rougher the feel. Try adjusting the position of the light also. You can adjust the depth as well. If the depth value is less than 0, it will be displayed in intaglio, and if it is greater than 0, it will be displayed in relief. You can use the stencil feature to create an effect as if you punched a hole in the text. It is useful when expressing stamp or pain-like feeling or torn effect. Try applying the appropriate stencil effect by pressing the button one by one. If you don't like the effect, you can cancel it by pressing the None button. To create a gradual fading effect at the edge of the video, try using the blending effect. Select the On/Off switch in the Blending tab to turn on blending. Please select the direction for blending. Adjust the range of blending using the slider.